Khuborjylla Pibaro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Mat bakong san mentakas ni kilong. Bat kerdan baprapusau ke NIT Meghalaya na pedeng ke NIT kari India. Po samrekhi ki paitba kariwar mau syndrome balapoi ki ropwe hashnong. Bat bay ke Oil India Limited nyo po arlak tingka banchna sau punyaw tli ke jaka litbar ki kena skul kentai. Bat mentangin pa syaki Khubor bakambanya. Director Jong ke School Ba National Institute of Technology NIT kabadon hasat sok pen sora Professor Pinakeswar Manta rengkat kiwede kinohikai ha kejingi kenduk berkilat patai Khubor ulai thu bakini ke School Ba kan sepelong ye kejingi langsam certificate bat penkup buram ye ki Samla ki bela pendap ye kejing puli ha ki lain berper ya ke bela tip kem ke convocation ke bakat ar ke ban sepelong ha ke live ho terik mentau benai Risaw arjar arpusan. Hakini ke convocation Chairman Berim jong ke Indian Oil Corporation Shrikant Madhav Vaidya un Selong ukong san katba founder director jong ke NIT Guwahati Dhirendra Nath Buragohen un longkum usembut kong san. Hakini ke convocation kumba arspa san pongut ki Samla ki bela pendap ki degree ha ki subject berper kentup ki shispa san pongut ha ke BTech laipun reungut MSc arpusau ngut MTech but lai punya ngut ki bala pendap ya ke PhD. Professor Pinakeswar Mahanta ulai thuru kumba ka long minta ke National Institute of Technology Meghalaya ka don ha ka kerdan ka ba prapusau ha pedeng kiwei pat ki NIT ki badon ha keleng kari India. Ladai nujor pat bat ki badon ha satlak ka perthai ke NIT Meghalaya ka don ha pedeng ka kerdan syajar arspa iwei hadu syajar sanspa niki khatsau hajar ki NIT ha ka perthai.
Then this convocation will be chaired by our Honorable Chairman of Board of Governors, Sri Sunil Alagsi. The convocation will start at 11 o'clock and it will be hardly 2 hours. So I invite all of you to attend this and participate actively in this convocation. This convocation will be offering degree to 250 students, including 153 BTech, 36 MSc, 24 MTech and 37 PhD recipients. Apart from that, 15 medals will be awarded for academic excellence, including 3 female medalists. So that comprises of gold medal for President's Gold Medal, one a Chairman's Gold Medal, then gold medals for the best graduates, like that, and also silver medals for branch-wise toppers. This convocation, before the convocation, prior to that date, there will be an alumni meet in the evening of 29th. That will be also scheduled here. And their alumni will be making a new chapter. And followed by that, there will be one cultural program by our students only. This is in brief. That is going to happen on 29th and 30th of October. I'd like to give a glimpse of Institute's activities happened so far. So we have now more than 107 faculty members. Out of that, 75 are regular faculty, remaining are adjunct or ad hoc or visiting professors. Followed by that, we have 332 staff. Out of that, 85 are permanent staff. Remaining are outsourced staff. Then we have gradual increase in our student strength. It is more than 1200 now, and we have started with new courses like ZDA nursing certificate course. Then apart from that, MCA, Master of Computer Application this year. Then we are also planning to have some new courses collaborated with NPTI Guwahati. That is BTech and AI, machine learning, that kind of, and cyber security. That will be started from July 2026. Apart from that, I'm very glad to tell that the Institute has got consistently NIRF ranking for last, I think, 5-6 years. This year,
8 years.
Last 8 years. And this year also, we are in within the 100 in all over India, and our rank was 83. Apart from that, we have first time in the world ranking, world university ranking, we have positioned between a band of 1201 to 1500 band. There are more than 14,000 universities across the world participated. That is a big achievement for us. Apart from that, we got many other awards like Mahatma Gandhi Award for Academic Excellence very recently. Then India Today ranking, which is 56. Then apart from that, our faculty members produced the chips first time, and it was in Indian chip program, which was accluded by our Honorable Prime Minister in Delhi. A semiconductor IC packaging and testing facility also we have created here for certification course. Already one certificate course has been done. This is tuned up with the semiconductor facilities grown up in the country to increase the human resource. Also, we have strengthened the post-fabrication of semiconductor research. Then in academic activities, our Dean Academic can explain in details, but I am just giving you brief. MTech in Environmental Science already we have started. Then minor degree course in Sports Engineering we have started from last year. Then it is planned to have AI, machine learning and energy system master and minor courses from coming year. Then in research, we have more than 9 sponsored projects during last 1 year, worth rupees 4.9 crores of rupees, and 33 consultancy projects, around 3 crore rupees. Over 300 research papers were published during the year in reported journals and conferences having SCI or Scopus index. And 4 patents are filed by our faculty members. In collaboration, we have more than 14 MOUs we signed in last 1 year with PTB Germany, Technical University of Ilmenu, then IIT Hyderabad, IIT Jodhpur, IIT Madras, and IIM Visakhapatnam, Parul University of Gujarat, Oxford University, and also DOT-PED Incorporation of South Korea, and STE Meghalaya. Industry collaboration with NPTI already I mentioned, and also with NESHU. And in these collaborations, there is a collaboration between the faculty or scientists of different universities with us. Their students are coming for PhD, so we are having joint degree and we're proposing some joint degree with TU Ilmenu also in Germany. Then we have formed 2 new centers recently. One is Center for Structural Health Monitoring and Infrastructure Development, and one is Design Incubation Center to the tune of startups, entrepreneurship developments. The other research facilities involved and utilization is the Central Instrument Facility and Semiconductor Lab. 3 new computer laboratories with 287 new computers. We have put in 3 different laboratories here in one of the blocks, and that is exclusively used by not only our students, rather some outsiders are also coming and taking part in that, in learning. We have also started one blind center for teaching the blind people with computer. And for that, the DOT Incorporation has given us a product, and we are formulating now. A certificate course has already been given from last year. 8 blind people were given certificates for that, and gradually we are going to take up a group of 10 to 15 blind people or visually impaired people for certification, so that their knowledge in computer will be increasing with artificial intelligence. Student success rate is good. More than 64% of final year student got job. Out of that, 55% student got multiple packages, but they choose only one. They have to choose one. And many companies like Amazon, Microsoft, BPCL, L&T, Cisco, Deloitte, etc. have come to our campus and they recruited. Some of the students got best paper award and gold medals in global competitions. very recently. Details are available with us. I can give you the hard copy for that. The package the student got last year is 52 lakhs in 1 year. 52 lakhs package, and average package for per student is 11.75 lakhs. We have also done some outreach activities, and we are obliged to do such work for local growth of the local people under Unnat Bharat Abhijan. We are the regional coordinating institute for Meghalaya, and we are coordinating with all other higher education institutes in Meghalaya. And under that, we have also made a Sitimon Sawain Center for Inclusive Education, where these blind peoples are given training or certification. Also, we are trying to have more and more such things like in the Sela area, we have given a motorized boat, and the local
Kipat ba bat kinong rep nagasnong telau mading khed bat nongrim warding kibalaju im ha ka sat bat ka kim khat na kadaw ka jing bamdon surok kali namar kini kisnong kidon shatrai riat minta kila phomut phomat be kila yo de ki kali kitmar kitmata kibayat lingba ki sainar na sun beneng ropwe ban penyaso ye kini kisnong shakijaka balat kai ban kit ye kimar rep shaki yo ki hat. Yakini ki rupwe la Beijing lot de ki scheme PMRQVY na Border Area Development but na Agriculture Department and Farmers Welfare ki balawanra ya jing suk bat jing aram ya ki pai ba ne kini kishnong. Uba Olan Singh Sun MLA Kamau Sinram ulatre shitom banwat kilat kilinti ban yarap ya ki pai ba ne kini kishnong. Kajing tere shitom jong uni unong mikmat pai ba kala seiso da kajing poi jong ki rupwe hashnong jong ki. Haka arpu saw terik Risaw kirang ba kibakentup yo ba Olan Singh Sun ba kemen baro lang Yangjo Border Area Development Officer Mau Sinram ba Nathan Rariang Assistant Director Border Areas Department ba Nathaniel Lingdo Superintending Engineer Agriculture Department ba Bisharlang Wanyang Horticulture Development Officer bat kirang ba shnong nakini kilai teli kishnong kilahiar shikini kishnong banjurip bat petsani ya kijing terikam jeng kini kirupwe. Uba Olan Singh Sun ulay thu kaway nakini kirupwe kasyongdor lai pulai poin khat arlak tingka bat baro lai teli kador kalapoy siya kashiklur tam. Karupwe hashnong telaw kakit ikimarep nabri shnong. Habayakren bikinong yalam nakini kilai teli kishnong kilay thu ba kajingyo ikini kirupwe kalong kajingkerku ya kipat ba namar kilapensuk ya kakit kaba jongki. Namar baro shikata ki hak bankit ya kimarep da kemet bat kalong kabeshitom bat jenjar hadu kata-kata. Kilo ongru kesimpor bun kenta ban kiu ya kitip. Minta lala bankit ya kimarep jongki tang deki menet.
Sinong Tlau Pengun pi ya karowe kebersana da ke border area bala ai bisa naka agriculture numba scheme RKBY kador jang ni ka investment jang ni karowe ke badon hang ni Tlau kalau mang life lak tengidon pas koi ka ngi connect ye light leash no koi ka norim koi ka modikit ban point ni Tlau kemun artli no bisa point ni Tlau te kathi ka di ka norim ko bang yi ta but nak tu lang orang ko das koi kisnong modikit kemun artli kita di station tongwe lightly kita artli kawai hni kabar konek ya kanorim par kabar konek ya modikit te ka jitu jang ne rowe golomba mainly yaki maret mainly for agriculture produce labano kwai utempo somrin baro di jingrem jang ne sai te kalau ngi monto sibon ignorem nomor ba hage jakaban headload ban kit dobreu kemudian ngelakit lembah kan kalau gue, ka kapasiti yang kalau gue kalau 10 kilo kau basket, kan bagai gue basket kenang hiar kau basket kenang kiu, kata ke function yang kalau gue, ni semua sebun bayi aga agriculture department bagi ke border area ke bola pentri ke scheme, but ni community ru bagi sinong lese Gimana don ban connect da karo ban jarak ban ibang 4 rock. Nomor bagani kanorin ban mau dikit gimpa 4 rock. Di kisnong ban 4 rock. Lise kan yarap sibon. Wan yang itu isnong la 4 rock ro nomor ba kasro ka poe tang isnong. Regi jakrab jungi babon regi ar lai 100 kilometer. Bagi jindon kam jugini ro we. Kalau ngidon kam hagi babon kisnong. Kenapa persuk ya ka kit ka ba ya ginorap ban poe hadu isnong. Lani ko ta ka evacuation facilities ngidon kam ha. Te kita pun community nong kan community ba interest dong ini percaya dong man buat skim na mo ban thang la da don biang na aktivitas pele community nong nong ko dong ni mosram konstitusi yungi wala na po sa original andre national shang jagara cheki cluster bagara iram dar ka te kin pelem ba la da don shishu skim bangin persang man ya kren ga state government or ba central government ba in ai bugin national shushu kilo we ha ki shnong ki ba idun kam kata na try koi ka no down koi ko one koi ka tiar ka man out ko yi kalau ko ro no function mo oh artri de pio la kajo kani nang te persen oh iya likely kani nang rim hamo dikit long likely station we are koi ko ni likely lah ni tekamu we are like long Bosco almost 1 crore ya. Ngapa kelas? Kesari baik dia.
Ka-Office Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District haka Arpusaw tarik Risaw kalasoi gejing menjur lang baro arliang Memorandum of Understanding MOU bat ka Oil India Limited ka company san umpnyang petrol diesel jong ka Sarkar India banchna saw punyaw tali ki pankhana bapaka na kabenta ki khna school kinthei haki saw punyaw tali ki school Ribhoi District ki bampat don ya kum kini ki jakalit bar. Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District Abhilash Baranwal ulaithu akilat pathai Khubor ki Bor Sanchar District kila kerpat iu Hardeep Singh Puri umintri ka Petroleum and Natural Gas ka Sarkar India habau lawan jingo ia ka Ribhoi District dangshen ban kinti wi ka khot ka suba na ka benta ki khna kinthei ha ki school jong kani ka district but day da ka jing menjur jong uni umintri ka Sarkar India ulabatha ia ka Oil India Limited ban pentre kam ia kani ka jing thmu Lingba kani ke MOU balasoy minta kasngi ka Oil India Limited kan Beijing lot na kabenta kani ka kam ka bekenjo sya kanyo puar lak tingka layathu UTC.
Signed today by district administration and primarily DRDA with Oil India Limited, which is a public sector undertaking in the field of oil and gas exploration. This MOU was regarding construction of 47 girls' toilet in schools where no separate girl toilet is present as of now. This MOU was signed based on our request to Honorable Union Minister of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Shri Hardeep Singh Puri sir, when he had visited Ribhoi. So we placed request that 47 schools are there which do not have a separate girls' toilet. He immediately directed Oil India Limited, and through that, today we are signing an MOU today. 47 girls' toilet at the total cost of around rupees 70 lakhs plus. Started, we'll write to them for releasing the first installment, and thereafter the construction work will start. Oil India Limited being a central government company, they have very strict control over the quality parameters and etc. So they will also be supervising from their end, and from district administration will be supervising. So hopefully we'll be able to complete all these toilet constructions by Christmas.
So are you happy with this MOU being signed today, sir?
Absolutely. So Ribhoi is an aspirational district as well. NITI Aayog regularly monitors different indicators, development indicators. One of the development indicators is how many schools have separate girls' toilet. And we always used to, feel sorry for the schools which do not have separate girls' toilet. And fortunately, now that we have signed this MOU, hopefully every school will be covered through this.
But da kini ki Khubor ngilapoi siya kabakot tat hadu pengday siyang biang kublay shibon.